What are you doing there, buddy? You want to move over?
Yeah.
There's being Brad again. Good job, buddy. Get him. Show him his boss. Yeah.
Get him.
I think he's out of battery. You need to charge him.
Now he's expecting rubs. Oh, I'm standing in your light.
Oh, not my lights. What are you doing? No, I think he's out of battery. Yeah, no, he's just out of
He's
battery.
recharging, yep.
Yep.
He needs another 5 hours sleep so he can kick the crap out of a dull
Small
mouse.
rodent.